Imagine the freedom of having a day all to yourself, no obligations, no expectations. Just you and the open possibilities of how you can spend your time. While many think solitude means loneliness, research suggests otherwise. A study from the University of California shows that people who intentionally spend time alone often report higher levels of creativity, self-awareness, and happiness. One of the best ways to enjoy your own company is to embrace solo adventures. Whether it's hiking, going to a museum, or simply exploring a new neighborhood, stepping out on your own can be incredibly freeing. When you're alone in nature, you set the pace, choose your route, and take as many breaks as you like. It's your journey and no one else's, which makes the experience uniquely yours. Start with places you feel comfortable and gradually try new spots. You'll discover how capable you are and gain confidence with each outing. Another fantastic way to enjoy time alone is by diving into a hobby. This can be something you already love or a new activity you've always wanted to try. Revisiting an old passion, like painting or reading, can bring back a sense of joy and nostalgia. Hobbies help us feel fulfilled, giving our minds a break from daily routines. Spending time alone is the perfect opportunity to practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Engaging in activities that help you connect with yourself brings a deeper sense of fulfillment. Meditation can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall well-being. You don't need to meditate for hours. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Apps like Headspace or Insight Timer are great for beginners and offer guided sessions that make it easy to get started. Many people feel hesitant about going out alone, but solo outings can be empowering and incredibly enjoyable. Choose a place you love or somewhere new you've been wanting to try. When you dine alone, you're fully immersed in the experience, tasting each bite, noticing the ambience, and relishing the independence. Lastly, one of the most important ways to enjoy being alone is by cultivating a positive mindset around solitude. Alone time doesn't mean you're missing out, it's time spent investing in yourself. Remind yourself that alone time is a chance for personal growth, relaxation, and recharging. Being alone isn't something to avoid, it's a gift that allows us to grow, discover, and thrive in our own unique way. So embrace these moments of solitude, explore new experiences, and learn to enjoy the beauty of your own company. Enjoy the journey one solo adventure at a time.